Understanding Trade Show Booths, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase used in the world of business and events: trade show booth. This term might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Let's dive in. The phrase, trade show booth, is made up of three words: trade, show, and booth. Let's break them down. Trade. This refers to the act of buying, selling, or exchanging goods and services. Show. In this context, a show is a large public event where different companies or entities display their products or services. Booth. A booth is a small, temporary stand or compartment where products or services are displayed. A trade show booth is a specific area at a trade show where a company or individual displays their products or services. It's like a mini store or exhibition space within the larger event. These booths are designed to attract visitors, provide information, and promote sales or partnerships. Trade show booths are crucial in business for several reasons. Networking. They provide a platform for businesses to meet new clients, partners, and industry peers. Marketing. Booths are an effective way to introduce new products or services to a targeted audience. Brand awareness. They help in building or enhancing the visibility of a brand in a relevant market. Now, let's see how to use trade show booth in a sentence. 1. Our company is setting up a trade show booth at the International Tech Expo next month. 2. I visited several trade show booths to learn about the latest trends in digital marketing. That's it for today's lesson on trade show booths. We hope this video has helped you understand this business-related phrase and its usage in the English language. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.